Like it or not, AI is here. And, well, that means our students are already using it, and that means that it is changing the way they learn and way they do their work. And so I think it's really important to help them along the way, to teach them how to use it, to give them opportunities to use it in appropriate ways so you can demonstrate to them proper uses. So I want to show you how to use Magicschool. No, I'm not going to do a full demo. Magicschool, I don't know, for good and for bad, is a little overwhelming. You open it up, every time I open it up, I feel like I don't know where to start. And so take one tool at a time. You don't have to use all of them. There's more tools than probably maybe only the power users. Even to them, I'm not sure they use them all. But I want to show you how to use it with your students. So you can see, and I'm only going to use one tool. This is my favorite part about Magicschool. But you can click Launch to Students. And I have other rooms I've already used before. I'm going to launch a new room. And I'm just going to name it 6th grade. And I'm going to leave those settings. This is for 6th grade. And we're going to, we can use a whole bunch of different tools. But I want to show you, I'm just going to scroll. You can see them all. Too many. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to use the step-by-step right here. All right, I added it. I could add more, and I could add all of them if I wanted to. Click Next. Now I can customize this, and I can give a little more guidance. So I'm going to say photosynthesis project. Okay, and get step-by-step directions for your photosynthesis project. All right, and I can change different words or voices too, because they can actually listen to it if they want. I'm going to say next. This will let you demonstrate it and try it as a teacher to see how it works. But I'm going to click Save here, and I'm going to launch the room. Once you activate it, you'll get a join information. You can use it through the QR codes or add it straight to Google Classroom. Or what we're going to do today is use the join URL. I'm going to copy this, paste it over here, and my name is D. I would encourage you to have your students use their first name, not their full name, but their first name. That way you know who is doing what. I love how Magicschool gives you and your students guidance on appropriate and inappropriate uses of AI, and their data privacy policy is the best that I've seen. Click Acknowledge. Step by step. Now I'm going to say, I'm going to act like I'm a student. Can you help me plan out how to make, how to create a photosynthesis. It's a big word. Synthesis project for our school science fair in 2 weeks. All right, generate. Now, giving a student a big project like that can feel a little overwhelming, and you probably already have plans on how to break it up into smaller chunks for them. But it's also kind of cool to have them figure out how to use the tools to do that for themselves. So I generated these steps, and it even gives me in this time, and each time it might be a little different, it even gives me like a timeline to follow, which is really cool. So a whole bunch of steps, example ideas, materials, how to conduct your experiment if you are supposed to, create your presentation, and so on. And as a teacher on this end, the nice thing is I want to keep tabs and see how things are going. So if I click in on the student, it shows me, it gives me a summary of what they're doing, and then I can see exactly what was generated. So I can say, ooh, I do or I don't like that, and I can go and talk to the students. Instead of using the AI to do your job for you, it helps you engage with your students and keep tabs on them as they're all working in different places. I hope that Magic School is a useful tool to you, and I hope that this has been a good demonstration. Pray that you are blessed.